So.
Well, I wasn't born here, but I was reared here.
Yeah.
I came here when I was in the 2nd grade.
And
I went to St. Joseph Catholic School.
Yeah.
And then when I went to 4th grade, I went to Children's House, and Mrs. Richard was my 4th grade teacher.
Oh, wow.
But we are just so excited. It's now called the George Washington Carver Commemorative Festival. Look who has arrived.
The most famous man in Tuskegee.
No, not quite.
What's up, Ron?
He's getting there.
How are you?
Hey, baby. Hey,
getting there?
He's getting there.
You should go where I go. I see his stuff all over the world.
He's the most famous artist now in the world. Forget about Tuskegee, in the world.
How are you, Ron?
Oh, Ron, it's so good. Hey, I
Yeah.
didn't see you back there. This is my man. This is my main man, too.
Oh, wow.
Look, see that? I told you the most famous artist in the world. Look at me. Look at that.
Right. And you know something? Now, this gentleman, everywhere he goes, doesn't matter what commission they give him to do, they did something for Tuskegee.
Yeah.
And he slipped my picture in the corner. I love him.
I love him.
I love him. I tell everybody, yeah, buddy, this is my boy right here.
That's my main man. That's my main man. I tell you what,
Yes,
this
indeed.
is
Look
so...
at it. Look at it.
I mean,
I'll turn around so
you just, yeah.
y'all can see
We
it.
can see it.
Here
Look
we
at
are.
Hey, Flat.
I know it sounds funny, but I just can't stand it. Girl, I'm leaving you tomorrow. Seems to me, girl, I've done all again. See, I've been, I've stolen and borrowed. Yeah. That's why I'm No, I can't find the words to let you understand what it was. Because that was my life, you know. I spent my whole life in Tuskegee in that studio. 9 o'clock in the morning to 1 o'clock at night every day. And a lot of good times in that studio.
What kind of memories did it bring back?
I mean, I can see everybody up there playing, practicing, and working on routines, and Richie sitting in the corner, and Tommy in the back in the bathroom on his guitar. Well, he took it everywhere he went, you know, so, I mean, it was good old days. James Carmichael here, cutting the albums, getting ready. A lot of memories in that studio.
What about the pit?
I was telling some people that right there in that pit was where we decided we were going to get uniforms, costumes. We had uniforms. We wanted costumes that were like 14th century French soldiers. That's what we wanted. And that's how we came up with that idea right there.